Welcome to my channel. Today we will be focusing on what is computer. So let's begin. Let me give you a brief idea about what we will be covering in this video. We will understand what makes a computer the system and how everything is packed inside the box. Here's a quick task for you. Just pause the video and describe by commenting below what exactly you are seeing in your mind when I am saying word computer. Perhaps this is not that picture. If you are a creative person, then these might be the diversity of your imagination. And I don't think I need to explain what these gadgets are. But to be more specific and fancy, we need to define the term computer. So, computer is an electronic device which takes input as data from the user, processes it as instructed, and generates the desired output back to the user. Well, that's tough to digest these terms. Let me make this clear to you. Electronics means something which need electrical power to work and logic circuit for decision making. For understanding other terms of the definition, we need to look at computer organization. The user provides the data and instruction to the computer, which is known as input. Computer stores that input onto the memory, and then control unit interprets the instructions and guide the arithmetic logic unit to do the required calculations. And finally, computer provides the desired output back to the user by using various output devices. Now we will look at how computer is a system. So system may be defined as collection of interdependent and integrated components which work together to achieve one preset and specific goal, where interdependent means the components depend on each other for working smoothly, and integrated means component must behave and act in a way that is expected. Here's some systems that you probably have encountered with. In a similar way, computer system has two important components, namely hardware and software. Hardware comprises of all the tangible and mechanical parts, whereas software is something which exists in the virtual world. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you found some value in this video, please do subscribe to this channel and don't forget to share and like the video. Thank you so much.